Hi, I'm Anthony. My register number is URK17CS280, and today we are going to see the topic under web technology, which is my sixth exercise, and which we are looking now. Like, let me say that, say the heading of that, so we can have a good clarity. Okay, there are three timer function and objects. Timer function and object. Mainly, we are using a timer function, which is a predefined function. Okay, let me show you like how does it work. So, okay, as you can see that digital mic system time it takes. Okay, and dynamic background is like just like that keep changing because we have a function called set interval, set timeout. How much seconds it should keep changing the colors like yeah, and changing font size like this is kind of object like as you move the cursor to that object we have seen in the last last navigation like as you keep your cursor near that home button it should the color should glow different as of in yellow color. So that's the same thing like as you keep here that size should get bigger, that's it, nothing else. And moving car is like something like a small program, keep increasing something of for loop, and once you keep on clicking it will get more faster and stop. Okay, and reset, go to its original position. And student is something like enter a name, see placeholder is there, enter a name and your register number and date of birth, add more students. So also it will be like it should print everything in here itself, not in like database or something. Okay, uh, so do you want to see that? Okay, horizon, and then you should follow the for rules. Okay, yes, and my date is something like and you know guys my birthday is tomorrow and I'm doing this video today. 25 1999. And yeah, see, add more students. See this the thing is added. So something like John registered number is already I have registered some one number, and recently I have registered another one which is my John registered number 217. Okay, and is there anything you want to know? Yeah, let's go to the program straight up. Yeah. Okay. See now, we are in that index page, which is a digital log, as you have seen the title. So digital log, okay, these you know everything everywhere it will be there, and style we have doing it side itself. Dot like creating an external CSS file, and now see this is a copyright. It's actually not needed, and this is where the place rules according to our success is timer function. See, we are using set interval and function. See, word we are creating a variable new date. Okay, this is how we do it. And his file d dot get hours, get minute, get seconds. This is not a function which we created. Automatically, it's there once you use the timer function. So it takes our own computer day, hour, minute, second. So as of like how will you write that document or get element by write it at time, and this is how you will be writing into that file like dot in a div in a, or how let's say in a div box dot in a HTML equal to h, which is hard. As of we have seen that you can see var and plus space m. This is how that works. Okay, keep working. And let's go to the next one, which is mouse, I guess. Okay, what is mouse? Changing font. Okay, mouse instance. As soon as you keep the mouse cursor near that, the size should get bigger. Nothing else. So see that these are stuff. So let's see, leave that. Okay, see. Come to the program. Document are get element by ID. Okay, MD. So fine. MD is ID for which I gave. As you can see, ID MD. Okay. This you should not confuse of. Add event listener as of we done over there. So mouse as soon as it goes, it should do something, right? What it should do. So that's what we have selected like document query selector. See, the style is like first it's in 6 rem transit duration. Okay, you can see right. We are size is 6, but actual size is 3. You can understand right. Mouse over as of the mouse goes near above that words it should get to 6 from 3. As of mouse out in the sense mouse mouse is being removed from that action from that word. So that's how it works, and it's very simple kind of thing. And let's move to that what's that what's car, right? Cars. Yeah, see, you know that absolute that's how it works. So you should not keep fixed because it won't even move. And keep in mind and see that yeah, you should need anyway. You need we are using class instead of ID. And see, we are using three buttons, which is like start, stop, I guess reset. Reset should come to its original position. Keep in mind that ID, okay, and see this script var in it and var f is equal to fast x equal to 30, something stuff like that. And this is how that can you see that you need set interval like how much seconds it should keep moving, and if you click once more it should get added, like you'll be seen like see. And this is the program. This is the only line you need to know how it works, and it will be keep it on increasing. And once you set like stop, it should just set a clear interval of int, which is this one. This is the what that it keeps makes that object to move. Okay, so that it stops. And reset in the sense what is like it should what actually it should do is like create interval in the init, and it should uh, x equal to 50. Again it should come to that original question. And at the end is like student, right? Yeah, this plays a major role. Like it will be kind of boring stuff, because every time we are getting input from the user. Okay, like give your names every time, and we have so make sure that thing like we already got the name. And the thing is like the input format should be same as of you give, because it actually needs, because sometimes if you give your register number small letter it won't work, we can't fetch the database. So if you are not giving it wrongly, it should not accept. That's what we are using like pattern. How the patterns, how the input should look like. Okay. If that pattern is not matched to that, it should not accept. That's what we gave. Okay, and let's straight away jump into that code. Okay, and see here comes it. Student name John. Okay, yes, one thing I have given already. Okay, and next time I'm taking everything from the user itself. Okay, see if something like we already got, I guess. That's it. See, that's what we are just query selector means don't get like it's just like that get element by ID. Okay, but if we are the what we have give title one, title two, we forgot our class. Okay, because that get element by ID in the sense we can fetch only ID, but we have given class. Okay, so we are using query selector, and just we are not even HTML. Once we get everything, see these names we have already in an array. Okay, so as just like that we have to push like or like show the into that image once we get that print button. And yeah, this you know that how I have told you. And if percent dot div is structure of I and is less than 2000, like this is the place where what actually we are doing is like if the register number is somewhat below 2000, 2000 is like a number, and he belongs to this batch. And he, greater than 2000, he belongs to that batch. And that's what we have seen that predefinedly towards the mother, which I gave is below 2000 because I just gave 280. So it went to that first one. So you understand, right? And that's it for this video. Thank you.